Hello and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we will walk you through the process of creating a folder structure in elDoc. With elDoc, you have the flexibility to create a diverse folder structure tailored to your specific needs. There are two ways to create folders in elDoc. The first method is by clicking on the new folder icon, which allows you to create a folder and add unlimited subfolders within it. Alternatively, if you have existing folders elsewhere, you can simply upload them along with their relevant files to elDoc. Within seconds, files will be moved to your desired location within elDoc's file management system. Building a folder tree is completely customizable, allowing you to create a folder structure that best suits your file management requirements. Organize the file the way you need. Get your elDoc trial right away.